Good day everyone, welcome to GDD Online, and this is my um, process or progress to creating a simple calculator program. First thing first is C out, then please enter your name, then semicolon, C in, then enter your name, and C out again, and enter your name, then semicolon, then C in, num1, then semicolon, and CE out, and enter the first number and semicolon. So the first number is CE in num2. So this is my process. Sum is equals to num1 plus num2 semicolon. Difference is equals to num1 negative num2. Then product is equals to num1 and asterisk num2. And quotation is equals to num1 dash num2. And here's my the C out, and enter the sum of number 2 is, which is the sum. C out, the difference of number 2 is difference, which is difference. And C out, the product of number 2 is prod, which is the product. C out, then enter the quotient of number 2 is equal to quote, and temp is equals to num1 is equal to num2 is equal to temp. Then C out, the new value of first number is num1. C out, the new value of second number is num2. Then sum is equals to num, then we're going to set it upside down, then and sum is equals to num1 plus num2 is semicolon. Difference is equals to num1 negative num2. Then product is equals to num1 equals to num1 asterisk num2. Quotient is equals to num1 and division sign or dash num2. And last is C out, then enter the new sum of number 2 is sum again. We will repeat the same progress here, and yes, I'm done, and thank you for trying my program. Here's the result. Okay. I'm going to enter my name, which is Lubin. Again, enter my name, Lubin, and here's the result. Program finished with x equals 0, and please enter the exit console. Goodbye.